In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Analytics on Shopify. To get started, go ahead and open Shopify on your device. So make sure you're signed in into your account in here. And once you're signed in into your account, go ahead and head over into the Add App section. Click on that. Now scroll down at the bottom of this pop-up and click on Shopify App Store. Now on Shopify App Store, you'll be able to find all of the apps that you can incorporate with your Shopify account. Simply click on Google and YouTube. Since this plugin is what we need to simply incorporate Google related and YouTube related things into our Shopify website. Click on install in here. Now once you have installed this, you can simply activate it into your account. In here, go ahead and click on the install button to install Google and YouTube plugin into your Shopify website. You can now go ahead and connect your Google account with your Shopify account. Under Google Analytics 4, go ahead and click on the Get Started button to know more of this section, and make sure that you actually have a Google Analytics property ahead on your Google Analytics account before you actually connect that to your Shopify account. And that is how you can simply set up Google Analytics on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.